We're going to troubleshoot why your React development server is stuck on starting. This is a common problem and usually has a simple fix. Let's go through some of the most frequent causes. 1. Port conflicts. Your development server by default runs on port 3000. If another application, like another development server or a game, is already using that port, your React app won't start. To check, open your terminal or command prompt and try running netstat ab, Windows, or elsif in, grep listen, Mac OS Linux. Look for a process listening on port 3000. If you find one, you'll need to either stop that process or change your React app's port. You can change the port in your package.json file within the scripts section under start command by adding port xxx before your existing React script start command, where xxx is your desired port number, e.g. port 3001 React script start. 2. Problems with dependencies. Outdated or conflicting packages can cause all sorts of issues. Make sure you're using the latest versions of your dependencies by running npm install or yarn install. If you've recently made changes to your package.json, try running npm cache clean force and then reinstalling. If you're working with a monorepo or a complex project, verify all the dependencies are correctly installed and synchronized. 3. Cache issues. Sometimes the build process gets stuck because of cached files. Try deleting your node modules folder and running npm install or yarn install again. You might also want to clear your browser's cache and cookies. For a more thorough cache clear, try deleting the bot cache folder in your project directory. File system issues. In rare cases, problems with your file system can interfere with the development server. Ensure you have sufficient disk space and that there are no write permissions errors affecting your project files. Check if any antivirus software is interfering with the build process. Temporarily disabling it for testing might help. 5. Proxy configuration. If you're behind a proxy server, ensure your environment variables are properly configured to tell your application about the proxy. You will likely need to specify HTTP proxy and HTTPS proxy depending on your proxy setup, including authentication if your proxy requires one. 6. JavaScript errors. Errors hidden within your React code can prevent the server from starting. Open your browser's developer console, usually by pressing F12, to see if there are any errors being reported during the startup phase. Look for clues in the terminal as well. There might be error messages printed there indicating what went wrong. Address any errors indicated. 7. Restarting your machine. A simple restart can sometimes fix obscure problems. This might seem basic, but it's surprising how often this solves seemingly intractable issues. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reinstalling Node.js and npm or yarn. Also, providing details about your React version, operating system, and relevant code snippets will assist in finding a more specific solution.